Yes, hello my dear friends. Welcome to Maths Academy by DG. Myself Govindrao, Senior Lecturer in Mathematics. Today we are going to start one of the important chapter. Yes, that is very important for kcet and JEE Mains. That chapter name is what? Complex numbers. Students, remember one thing from the complex number. What are the question is asking for kcet and JEE Mains? Okay, so that is a very simple one. Okay, so now we will see in this today's class very interesting questions. Okay, I will cover the little bit questions, okay, but they are the very useful for the kcet and JEE Mains level. Okay, so now we can start here. See student, this is the question number 1 minus iota by 1 plus iota whole power 96 is there, na, is equal to a plus iota into b. Then a comma b is, actually there are four options are having a b c d. Okay, so now I am writing here 1 minus iota by 1 plus iota will be, okay, so first power 96 will be what? Okay, so definitely it should be in the form of a plus iota into b form. Okay, so before that student, remember whatever the inside bracket is there, na, so please we have to split that and we have to finally get in the form of a plus iota into b. Okay, so that is actually 1 minus iota by 1 plus iota, 1 minus iota by 1 plus iota, na? So multiply and divide with 1 minus iota by 1 minus iota, or now see students, this is the denominator with what? A plus b into a minus b form. It is a square minus b square, and multiply these two. Okay, so that's why I will show this one, the result of this one. Wait here, just we will remove the what are the part just now we have completed now. See, 1 minus iota by 1 plus iota, we are taking just the part. Yes, so now multiply and divide with 1 minus iota by 1 minus iota. So a plus b into a minus b, that is the denominator a square minus b square. So multiply the numerator. So we know that by multiplying these two, yes, we will get 1 minus iota plus iota square. Or so now student, here the denominator, we know that in the complex numbers iota square is what? Actually, sir, iota square is minus 1. Yes or no? Iota square is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 is there now iota square. So that's why minus and minus it is again plus 1, and already having 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Over next 1 minus iota is minus 2 iota. Iota square is minus 1. That's why 1 minus 2 into iota. Yes, that is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, minus 2 iota. Okay, 2 gets cancelled. Yes, finally we got minus iota. Yes, finally we got what? Minus iota. Or so now the result of this one is we got minus iota. Yes, and the power is having 96. So I am writing here minus iota whole power 96. So we know that students, the power is having even number means definitely the base having the negative value also it is be positive. Yes, iota power 96. But what is the iota power 4 value? Yes, sir. Iota power 4 value is what? 1. Because of iota square is minus 1. That's why iota power 4 can be written as iota square into iota square. Or next, observe here, iota square into iota square is bases are equal, iota power 4 student, and the result is what? Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Or so similarly, the power is having here, iota power is having here what? 96, means I am writing here the power is having here 96 now. So divide by 4. Yes, 96 there, divide by 4. So it will be gets cancellation, and it 96 is exactly divisible by 4, means definitely the result is 1. Okay, whatever the power of iota is there, the power which is divisible by exactly divisible by 4, yes, we can say the result is, yes, blindly we can write the result is 1. Okay, iota power 8 is again 1, iota power 16 for 1, because of the 16 which is divisible by 4. So now 1 is equal to a plus iota into b. Sir, a plus iota is equal to 1 can be written as 1 plus iota into 0. Or so next, so by comparing on both the side, we required a comma b. A is 1 and b is what? 0. Or so this is the question number 1. Students, किसी को आप लोग इसमें डाउट है क्या बच्चों? Yes, नहीं है ना? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलेंगे सर. See the question number 2. Yes, the value of modulus of 1 plus iota into root 3 by 1 plus 1 by iota plus 1 whole square. Okay, so now see, actually this is the complex number, yes, which is in the form of modulus of z1 by z2. Modulus of what? Z1 by z2. There is one of the property from the complex number, we can write modulus of z1 by, we are applying the modulus separately for the numerator and denominator, by modulus of z2. Or okay, ठीक है. Now, when we can apply this means if the whatever the part is there in the numerator and denominator which is in the form of complex number a plus iota into b. Yes, but numerator is having but denominator is not there. So we have to take only this part. Yes, and simplify and we have to get in this form a plus iota into b. That's why. See students. See, just I will remove this one. So now see, very clear. So we are taking only the part whatever the denominator is there. Yes, we are taking. So this is the iota plus 1 multiply and divide with 1 minus iota by 1 minus iota. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, or so this is the again what 2. Yes, so take the LCM. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus iota by 2. So we got the result of this only the part of this one in the denominator. Okay, substitute here, that is the 3 minus iota by 2 whole square. Or and now apply the modulus. Yes, actually this there is a 2 na power is having yes 2. So 2 square is what? 4. The reverse of this is the 4. So we are applying the modulus for the numerator and denominator separately. We got under root of modulus of, we know that the formula modulus of a plus iota into b. Modulus of a plus iota into b is equal to yes under root of a square plus b square. This is the formula. Yes or no? This is the formula. Suppose the complex number is given, the modulus of that complex number is under root of a square plus b square. So that's why under root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square. Again denominator under root of 3 square plus 1 square. Okay, and there is already having whole square, square root gets cancelled. The result is 4 by 5. Which option this is? Yes, that is the 4 by 5 is the last option. Okay, शायद आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहे होंगे क्वेश्चंस, ज्यादा कुछ टफ लेवल के नहीं है बेटा. यस, क्वेश्चंस के आंसर अपन वन बाय वन करते जाएंगे, बहुत सिंपल रहेगा. और कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर जो है एक लेवल का सिंपल चैप्टर है, लेकिन कब सिंपल होगा सर बोलते हो आप लोग सिनॉप्सिस मालूम होना चाहिए. यस, आप लोग क्या सिनॉप्सिस मालूम होना चाहिए, अच्छा सा शॉर्टकट्स आप लोगों को सर याद रखना चाहिए, तब आप लोग जाके कुछ ना कुछ कर सकते हैं सर. ओके, केसेट जेईई में जो है सर वो कॉम्पिटिटिव लेवल है, तो आप लोगों को सर सिनॉप्सिस अच्छा आना चाहिए. ओके, एक थ्योरी पर तो नहीं होता. चलिए अभी मॉडल्स अप्लाई कर देंगे सर इसके लिए. अभी ये कैसा दिख रहा है, मान लो कि ये Z1 था. यस, वो क्यूब है ऊपर, उसके बारे में सोचो मत. ये भी सर Z2 मान लो आप लोग. यस, ये भी क्या होगा Z2 मान लो आप लोग. और ये क्या होगा बेटा Z3 होगा डिनोमिनेटर. और Z1 Z2 Z3. अभी आप लोग मॉडल्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. देखिए आप लोग मैं बता देता हूँ. यस, अभी एक बार थोड़ा सा ये भी क्लियर कर देता हूँ. देखिए यस नो मॉडल्स ऑफ यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर दिया. फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, सेकंड कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, थर्ड, 3 कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स के मैं मॉडल्स अप्लाई कर दिया ना. तो अंडर रूट ऑफ यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है मालूम. देखिए रूट 3 होल स्क्वायर तो 3 हो जाएगा प्लस 1. नेक्स्ट इधर भी सेम प्रोसेस, अंडर रूट ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर 9 प्लस 4 स्क्वायर 16. अंडर रूट ऑफ 64 8 स्क्वायर 64 प्लस 3 6 स्क्वायर 36 कंप्लीटेड. तो आप लोग देखिए इसमें भी स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल हो रहा है और इधर भी स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल हो रहा है. लेकिन इधर क्या होता है 4 स्क्वायर, तो फिर से इधर भी स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल होता है, 2 आ जाएगा, 2 क्यूब है. नेक्स्ट इधर 25 था, इधर कितना 100 है, तो इधर सिंप्लीफाई कर लो तो आंसर आ जाएगा कितना 2. तो 2 कौन सा था सर, ऑप्शन सी था सर आंसर. ओके, तो आई होप आप लोग सर आज का सेशन समझ में आया होगा बल्कि मैं सोच रहा हूँ. यस, कुछ टफ लेवल को क्वेश्चन नहीं थे इसके अंदर, लेकिन सर एक एक आप लोग सर बिल्ड करते जाना चाहिए. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.